What's up everybody, Jordan here and back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some gear from Fieldcraft Survival Co. We'll talk about them in a minute. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Let me know if you own anything from Fieldcraft Survival or if you watch their YouTube channel or the YouTube channels of their CEO, Mike Glover, former Green Beret. We'll talk about him as well. Let's get into it. Yeah, and then make sure you check out Fieldcraft Survival on Instagram and their website and their YouTube channel and all their other social media platforms. I'll have all those linked down below, as well as the YouTube channel and Instagram accounts for Mike Glover, who's their CEO. Definitely check him out as well. Really great content. So Fieldcraft Survival is based in Provo, Utah. Yeah, and then Fieldcraft Survival is an outdoor survival preparedness focused company, and that's kind of what their content revolves around on YouTube and Instagram and such. Yeah, and then Mike Glover, the CEO of Fieldcraft Survival, he's ex-Green Beret. He spent 18 years in the U.S. Army and as a government contractor as well. He also served as a Sergeant Major in the Special Forces and did multiple deployments. He's an expert in counterterrorism, security, and crisis podcast. Yeah, and then he's an expert in counterterrorism, security, and crisis management operations, and is the host of Fieldcraft Survival podcast on iTunes and SoundCloud, as well as on YouTube. And he's also an avid outdoorsman, overland enthusiast, traveler, and hunter. And he has a bachelor's degree in Homeland Security and resides in Heber City, Utah, where he's the CEO of Fieldcraft Survival. Next, let's talk about the stuff that I ordered. Alrighty, yeah, so I ordered the Fieldcraft Survival Skeleton by Campfire t-shirt. That's $24.95. Operate the Outdoor sticker, which is $5.99. Campfire Skeleton sticker is $4.99. Fieldcraft Survival fanny pack was $70. And these are all in US prices as well. Fieldcraft Survival Horizon leather patch hat, which is $34.99. And then let's unbox these products. Alrighty, so I'm going to be using my Gerber survival knife that I just got recently. I'll be featuring this in my upcoming EDC update video because I've been using this a lot recently. Really awesome knife. It's got a whistle, fire starter as well, built into the holster. Super handy, really good quality knife. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, here we go. Starting off with the hat. This is in green with the leather patch logo. It's a Richardson hat, so really good quality hat. There you go, so that's how that looks. Really comfortable hat, good quality. And then next we've got, this is the fanny pack. Yep, awesome. Yeah, so it says operate the outdoors, and it's got the Fieldcraft Survival logo right there with zipper. You get the main outer pocket and then a big pocket on the back with the adjustable straps, and then inside of the front pocket, very cool. So you got nice orange inside, so very easy to see your stuff, with a mesh pocket as well, and then a spot for you to attach your keys or whatever else you want to attach. And you got the main inner pocket, which has some Velcro and some straps that you can, looks like, yeah, you can adjust where those are, or just take them out. That's really cool. Yeah, so that's the fanny pack. I'm gonna be doing a video on some of the fanny packs that I have and how I use them for EDC in the near future, so stay tuned for that and subscribe and turn on the notifications if you haven't already. Moving on, we've got, oh cool, little mini, this is the Surviving Catastrophe is not about fearing crisis, but creating more resilient habits to be ready for whatever comes your way. I was talking about his book, which I actually do have right here. Started reading it recently. Really cool so far. Definitely check that out as well. You can get that from Fieldcraft Survival or on Amazon. I'll link that as well. That's pretty dope. Then we got my t-shirt. I'll switch into this after for the end of this video. Yeah, so you got the skeleton on the back, army green, the orangish Fieldcraft Survival logo. Really nice quality t-shirt, very soft, nice and lightweight, but still solid. Then we got a couple stickers. Alright, and then so we got Operate the Outdoors and Fieldcraft Survival with the same design as the t-shirt that I got. I'm going to be putting these on my water bottle. Yeah, so that's what I ordered. Really good stuff. Let's wrap up this video. Alright, yeah, so here's how the shirt looks. Yeah, I definitely like the shirt. Really comfortable, nice good quality material. The hat's dope as well. Really cool stuff. I'm going to be testing out this fanny pack starting probably tomorrow if I go for a walk. But I'll be testing it, if not later on this week when I go to work, and then doing a video on some of the fanny packs that I use and how I use them. Yeah, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and then subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you're notified when I post new videos, which I'm actually shooting another one right after this with a unboxing of something that I haven't done any unboxings in that sort of category for a while, so definitely stay tuned for that. That'll probably be out after this. Or it'll be up before this, one of the two. But yeah, definitely subscribe, check out some more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.